Hello students, welcome to Genius Academy. I am Swarnika Nayak and today we are going to learn about reproduction in animals. So आप सबको कभी ना कभी डाउट हुआ होगा कि हमारा जन्म कैसे हुआ है. So आज इस चैप्टर में हम पता लगाने वाले हैं कि हमारा जन्म कैसे हुआ है. So first of all, what is reproduction? Reproduction is giving birth to young ones of our same kind. For example, dog gives birth to a puppy and we human give birth to babies. So, moving forward, there are two modes of reproduction and they are asexual and sexual. So what is asexual? When only one parent or a single parent is involved, it is known as asexual. And sexual, both the parents, that is male and female, are involved. So that is called sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the babies are identical. That means they are clone of the parent. And in sexual reproduction, variations are formed. So, coming forward to asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, there are two types in your specific class. First is binary fission and second one is budding. So, what is budding? In budding, it happens in, for example, yeast. So this is yeast or hydrols. A bud is formed on the parent cell and then it detaches from the parent cell and grows individually. So this is known as budding. And in binary fission, it happens in amoeba cell. So the parent cell divides into two cells. This is known as binary fission. Now in sexual reproduction, both male and female are involved. So, the reproductive organ of male and female are called gonads, and these gonads have gametes which are reproductive cells. Male has sperm and the female has ovary. These two gametes fuse and form a zygote. This fusion is called fertilization. So after the fertilization, zygote is formed and then it further develops in embryo and a fetus. So after that the baby is born. But talking about fertilization is also of two types. One is internal and one is external. Internal fertilization takes place inside the body and External fertilization takes place outside the body. In both, fusion is done. The male and female gametes are fused. One more important topic is there. One is oviparous and viviparous. On the basis of laying egg and giving birth to the young ones, there are two types of mating. Oviparous are those animals who lays eggs. For example, birds. And viviparous are those organisms who give birth to young ones. For example, dogs and human beings. So that's all for today. Thank you.